For 30 years, University Brunei Darussalam has served the university community with pride, showing their full support for the National University with the primary objective of serving the teaching, learning, and research needs of the UBD community. But recently, students have been complaining about the deficiency of services and facilities in UBD. The lack of health, learning, teaching, and sport facilities and services have become a major concern among the UBD community.
The main purpose of this report is to see the satisfaction among UBD community regarding its facilities and services, and will be looking at a specific international university and focusing on the availability of their facilities and services. Using Bond University in Australia as an example to investigate its well-growing intellectual and social development. The necessity to lift the standard of UBD will also be main interest in this research, followed with suggestions on facilities and services that can be applied in UBD.
In this report, it was conducted with quantitative tools. Primary data was collected through questionnaire and were distributed to several participating undergraduates and staff members in University Brunei Darussalam. It was issued to 85 respondents out of 100, 10 students from each faculty. This faculty involved Faculty of Integrated Technology, Faculty of Science, Faculty of Arts and Social Science, Academy of Brunei Studies, UBD School of Business and Economics, Pengira Anak Puteri Rashidah Saadatul Bokia Institute of Health Science. Staff members were also involved in this report study. This included lecturers, librarians, and clerks. The purpose of having different respondents from each faculty was because each of them will be experiencing different problems based on facilities and services. Hence, the needs of collecting the data from every department differed the findings of the research.
Moreover, online questionnaires were distributed using an online platform website, Google Form, and was posted to a Facebook group page in the Students' Association of UBD, also known as PMUBD. It was expected to be more convenient than a direct questionnaires and can enter respondents' response more efficiently. Questionnaire was composed in an open and close-ended questions.
This report was restricted to selected individuals based on their role in UBD only within each faculties provided in UBD, excluding the SHE-B graduates. Despite achieving a 100% survey response rate from the UBD community, the questionnaires took more than a week to collect, as almost everyone was too busy with their work commitment and packed schedule to reflect on the survey instrument and answer the questions. This resulted in an unfortunate delay in the data collection. As this report focused mainly on the UBD community, the number of targeted respondents were 100. However, it was not fulfilled as the researchers were not able to approach the respondents directly, mainly the FIT students. It is difficult to approach these students since they are not always around in the campus. Staff members, whether locally or internationally, were also the main target in this report. However, it did not reach a certain number as expected.
Findings have been interpreted by the means of graph. Majority of 81.2% of the respondents of students intellectual and social development on genetic system. It is evident that most respondents thought that taking as a faculty modules could further their knowledge and gain skills.
Necessity to have a registered account for borrowing books online, where roughly 78% of the respondents agreed to obtain the mixed resources easily. The teaching facilities in Bonn University, namely case study rooms, seminar rooms, teaching labs, lecture theatres, provide its own extra equipment with installed software. 65% of the respondents to these facilities to be implemented in UBD.
Section B of the questionnaire consists of the curriculum in UBD that has been provided and will be foreseen in the near future, such as the leadership and team dynamics in Bonn University. This service will help students develop their interpersonal and interpersonal skills to function effectively as individual contributors, team players, and leaders in diverse social contexts. In summary, the highest percentage of respondents is among those who has been through taught on this course of about 52.9%.
Career Development Center in Bonn University creates jobs opportunities and connecting students with industry links to prevent unemployed postgraduate students. 60% of the respondents agree to these services to be applied in UBD, as this will decrease the percentage of unemployment rate. Furthermore, a greater number of respondents agree to work placements, community outreach program, and SAP programs could help increase individual intellectual capacity, social skill, thus enable to gain valuable experiences and learn essential skills. Respondents who agree on study facilities such as online group study room booking, just like in Bonn University, claim that these services can save time, easier for friends to gather and study regardless of where they are, while Multimedia Learning Center can promote comfortable study environment, whilst Global Link rooms feature with art computing design to enhance learning.
In conclusion, universities' facilities played an important role whereby students chose to study. It has been proven that the library, IT rooms, lecture theatres with computer-equipped technology were the most important, followed by the extracurricular activities, sport facilities and student union. Virtual environment can break physical borders, widening social networks, and can enrich learning. Therefore, social development and intellectual are stimulated.